Tired of fumbling with physical cards just to use Apple Pay? We're diving into how to potentially bypass adding them all together and unlock a card-free Apple Pay experience. First, let's explore Apple Cash. Open your wallet app if you haven't already. You'll want to set up Apple Cash. Look for the Apple Cash card. It usually appears at the top. If you don't see it, tap the plus sign in the upper right corner. From there, select Apple Cash. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate it. You may need to verify your identity. Once set up, you can add funds to your Apple Cash balance directly from a bank account. This Apple Cash balance can now be used anywhere Apple Pay is accepted, acting as your virtual card without needing a physical one attached. Next, consider using Apple gift cards. Purchase an Apple gift card online or in store. These gift cards can be added to your Apple account balance. To redeem, go to Settings, tap your name at the top, then tap Media and Purchases, then View Account. Look for Add Funds to Apple ID. Once the gift card is redeemed, the funds will be available in your Apple account balance and can be used for Apple Pay purchases within apps and services, like subscriptions or in-app purchases. This offers another card-free way to use Apple Pay within the Apple ecosystem. While directly bypassing the card requirement for all Apple Pay transactions isn't always possible, Apple Cash and Apple account balances offer great workarounds for many situations, giving you a taste of that streamlined, card-free digital payment life.